What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the MOVEit 9000 and some of the features that it has. And this one here, just so you know, when you first start it, by the way, it comes with the remote. The unit's going to vary a little bit, you know, maybe in the look of the fenders or the remote here and whatnot. We're going to show you guys how to use your machine. But again, this one here, the MOVEit 9000, they're all gonna be exactly the same as far as the way that they, you know, operate and whatnot. You got your pad right here. Sometimes it might have a little bit of a plastic covering over the top here, but again, it is braced by metal there. So first things first, when you start your machine, you always wanna make sure that you have it to the lock position right here. If you're wondering when you receive your machine and why it's not moving, you need to make sure that it is in the lock position. Both motors, 1 and 2, again, in the lock position. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn this unit on right here. Just push it once, and then to go ahead and get your remote to basically program with your machine, you're gonna hold it down. And then there you have it. So first time users, when you do use it and go to program it, you may have to hold it down for quite some time, and then it will blink and turn green like so. And when it's in the green position here, you can go ahead and use it. And of course, turn it around. And then again, to go ahead and turn it off, if you see at this point, it's not working because it's simply turned off. You will not be able to turn the remote on or the unit on with the remote, even though it's gonna be in the on position here. That doesn't do anything, obviously. So you make sure you've got your machine on. We go ahead and hold it. If we hold it for a long time, check it out. It doesn't do anything. That was to basically program it. Now, you hold the button down and just let it blink once, and then you've got it programmed. So there you have it. Check it out. So this one here, again, the MOVEit 9000. Call up, order yours today, SaferWholesale.com. This one here, again, it's got two 2,000 watt or 250 watt motors in the back, and this unit will fold. You simply pull this lever right here, and it will fold down. So check it out. Again, when you receive the unit, you're gonna wonder why you think it's broke. It's not broke. It's just you have to go ahead and, like I said, hit and put them to the unlock. Take them from the unlock position, and they have to stay in the lock position when you use it. Otherwise, watch, check it out. I have it in the unlock position. Turn the unit on. It won't turn on. Obviously, you've got these alarms going off, right? Because, again, we need them in the lock position. And obviously, it's still not working because you have to reset the machine by turning it off and then turning it on, and bam, there you have it. Check it out. SaferWholesale.com, the MOVEit 9000. Call us up, Safer Wholesale, 866-606-3991. Grab yours today.